So this is a quick video about how you change the band on your Apple Watch. Here I have a pretty standard Apple Watch. It's a Series 9 41 millimeter with this standard band, and I want to switch over to this one. This is an official Apple Watch, just a new model or a new version in a different color. This one is getting a little bit worn out and I wanted to change it. You could change it for any reason, but the process is going to be very similar. Basically, you have to get the watch and you want to flip it over and find the side with this little piece right here. You'll see the band size, 41 millimeter, in case you're not sure about it. And you want to push this little button in right here. And it can be a little tricky. If you can, you might be able to get your nail in there, or you could use a pencil or something. And while that button is down, you want to slide this piece out. That will remove one end. Okay, so now this piece is removed, and now you want to flip it over and you want to repeat the process. Just push this button here with your thumbnail, or again with a pencil or something, and then slide this away from you. And now that band is removed. You can save this one for a rainy day, or sell it, or give it away, or just put it aside for when you next need your band. It's, even as they're old, they're still quite usable. Here's what the watch looks like right now. You could see those little holes where the band pieces will go. We'll get our new Apple Watch band, take it out of the packaging. Okay, so the band is out of its packaging, and now we want to get it into the watch itself. As far as the only thing you really have to be concerned about is that this piece is facing in the right direction. You can see right there it says that little 41 millimeter indicator. You want to make sure that is facing down. If it's not facing down, if it's facing up, it'll actually slide into the watch, but it won't lock in place. So it could be a little bit confusing. So we'll just pick up the watch and we'll slide this piece in, and it'll pop into place. You heard that little snap, and you can see the 41 millimeter indicator is facing down. If it was in the other direction, this would have continued to slide through past this. You have to make sure it's in the right orientation. With this side correct, all we have to do is make sure the watch band isn't twisted, and we'll know that this side is correct. So we'll just slide this in. You hear that little snap, and you know that it's good to go. This band is secure. Now you can just size it to your wrist, and everything is back where it needs to be. Again, if it had slid through, it just meant you did this little piece upside down. So the band would have been upside down, and this little adjustment would have been on the inside instead of the outside. It's a very easy mistake to make. The best thing to do is make sure that the size indicator is on the inside when you're sliding that piece into the watch. And that's really all there is to it. It's basically a pretty simple process to get a new band in your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.